Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Confluent Platform components for real-time data, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Confluent Platform components for real-time data, follow these step-by-step instructions. Begin by ensuring your system meets the prerequisites for installation. You will need Java installed on your machine. Verify the Java version by running the command Java version. Next, download the Confluent Platform installer from the official Confluent website. Choose the version that matches your operating system. Once the download is complete, navigate to the directory where the installer is saved. Extract the downloaded file using a suitable extraction tool. After extraction, change into the directory created by the extracted files. Now, you can initiate the installation process by using the command /bin/confluent hub install. Follow any prompts that appear during the installation to ensure all necessary components are installed. After installation is complete, it's time to start the Confluent services. Use the command confluent local services start to launch the services. Monitor the terminal output to confirm that all services start correctly. If any services fail to start, review the logs for troubleshooting information. Next, ensure that the Kafka broker is running by executing Confluent Local Services Kafka status. Once you confirm the Kafka broker is active, open a new terminal window. You will set up a Kafka topic to test the installation. Use the command Kafka topics create topic test bootstrap server localhost 9092 partitions 1 replication factor 1 to create a test. After the topic is created, you can produce messages to it using the producer command. Execute Kafka console producer topic test bootstrap server localhost 9092 to start sending messages. Type some messages in the console and hit enter to send. To consume the messages, open another terminal window and run Kafka console consumer topic test from beginning bootstrap server localhost 9090. You should see the messages you previously sent appear in the consumer terminal. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Confluent platform and tested its functionality. For further configurations and advanced features, refer to the official documentation provided by Confluent. With this setup, you are now ready to explore the capabilities of real-time data streaming in your applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.